Meet Alex, a talented engineer at a growing millwork company. He was hired to solve complex problems, innovate systems, and eventually lead a team. But today, he's drowning in shop drawing chaos. You see, despite advances in software and machinery, the millwork industry has suffered a 44% decline in productivity over the past 12 years. Here's what Alex's day actually looks like. Capacity gets tight. He manually prepares scope documents, sends quote requests to outsourcing partners, waits for responses, clarifies, re-quotes. The same measurements get taken twice. The same standards get explained again. Emails pile up. And while drawings are being created somewhere out there, his internal customers have zero visibility. No real-time updates, no quality control, no clear timeline. What should take days stretches into weeks. Alex isn't engineering, he's project managing chaos. And he's not alone. Across the industry, engineers are trapped in the same cycle, doing drafting rework, managing friction, fighting fires. The path from engineer to engineering manager, it feels impossible because the system itself is broken. Many ask, how can I grow my team when I can't even stabilize my workload? Here's the real problem. It's not the drawings themselves, it's the friction in how they're created. Outdated outsourcing processes, duplicated effort, manual handoffs, invisible workflows. In fact, 50% of companies do no outsourcing at all, citing excessive friction in the process. Friction that slows projects, frustrates teams, and prevents talented people like Alex from becoming leaders. So we asked a different question. What if shop drawings weren't a bottleneck, but a predictable, scalable service? What if friction disappeared and engineers could finally lead instead of react? Introducing Shop Drawings as a Service, a streamlined process built on standard libraries, predetermined rules, and modern technology. No more quote request chaos, no duplicate measurements, no scope confusion, just clarity, speed, consistency. Here's how it works. With our INNERGY platform at the core, everything becomes visible through an elegant 7-step workflow. You create work orders and select products. INNERGY reviews your specs and generates an instant quote. Once you confirm the purchase, you can monitor drafting progress in real time with complete visibility. Behind the scenes, our internal teams move your drawings into active drafting, working efficiently while you track every milestone. Then comes the delivery. Access and review your completed drawing PDFs, all within one seamless system. Capacity is tracked in real time. Requests for information are AI-assisted. Pricing is dynamic and transparent. Your company standards are learned once, then reused automatically. Shop drawings are created live, with real-time visibility and built-in quality checks. Errors are caught instantly. Scope changes become structured updates, not surprises. What used to take weeks now flows continuously. But S-DAS does something else, something strategic. It absorbs demand variability. Erratic sales cycles create lumpy workloads. That instability ripples through engineering into production, causing overtime, delays, and broken promises to customers. And the results speak for themselves. 45% of customers already see shop drawings as a service as extremely valuable to improving output and flow. By design, the INNERGY S-DAS workflow eliminates friction, requiring 35% fewer steps than today's outsourcing models. S-DAS acts as a capacity buffer. When demand spikes, the system flexes. When it drops, you're not stuck with idle overhead. The result? Production can plan with confidence, even when sales can't. In fact, S-DAS was the #1 requested initiative in 2025 that INNERGY customers want tackled. And this is where transformation happens for people like Alex. He stops chasing drawings and starts building systems, managing teams, training a scalable network of drafters, focusing on innovation and growth. With standards locked in and capacity stabilized, Alex becomes what he was hired to be, a leader. This is the journey from engineer to engineering manager, made possible by clarity, visibility, and a process you can trust. S-DAS doesn't replace engineers, it elevates them. By eliminating friction, removing variability, standardizing what should never be custom, it turns stability into strategy and scale into reality. This is the future of shop drawings. Predictable, scalable, built for growth. ESDAS, turning friction into flow and engineers into leaders. Ready to transform your workflow? Become an early adopter today.